Hey everyone, it's Trevor here at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm with another quality pre-owned car. Take a look at this 2022 Chevrolet Blazer True North. These are all-wheel drive, 300 plus horsepower, 3.6 liter V6. We've got intelligent keyless entry on both door handles, blind spot monitoring, heated leather seating, power driver and passenger seats, dual zone automatic climate control. Absolutely stunning interior in these. Nice clear gauges, about 79,000 clicks on this guy. 60/40 rear folding bench. We've got the all-weather mats on both rows, and I'm also a big fan of the all-weather cargo mat. Nice fold flat flooring in the back, power lift gate. These are beautifully designed, lots of room. I'm 6'3" and I fit perfect behind the wheel, and I can sit behind myself. Great lines if you're looking to stand out in that midsize SUV segment. This one's in silver ice metallic on jet black leather, and you can call it yours by getting down here and give us a call. 403-625-4555. Take it home today.